Well, many people across Aotearoa know that Waiata is a song. And if you don't, now you do. Waiata is a powerful tool that Māori have been sharing amongst themselves, with the environment, and for centuries now, the world. It's proven to be a great way to entertain people, to inspire people, and bringing people together. But is Waiata just a song? Waiata is actually an age-old practice carried by people from all over the Pacific since, well, forever. And we're doing our best to embrace that. And what is this practice? It's the practice of going down to the water, the wai, in the early hours of the morning, the yata, to connect to ancient, bygone energies that Indigenous societies have known about for millennia. The practice of being still, of being calm, of connecting to the environment through sound, through a hum, and in many cases through chant. Because the scientific truth is, water, wai, is ancient. It's as ancient as the dinosaurs millions of years ago. So by singing Waiata, connecting through sound, we're sharing our energy with the waterways so that we are connected to the places and the spaces that are a part of us. As much as the practice of Waiata has transformed in modern day times to singing in schools, performing on stages, being used in ceremonies, and to entertain, it's something that's unique and powerful, and I would encourage as many of us to learn it as possible. So help us keep this powerful practice alive by learning Waiata.